Hey, Bug, what do you got there?
Because if you do this, then tell your parents I lose my license.
It's gonna be bath time, sir.
Right?
That's how we used to feel about potatoes too, see?
I was eating when he made that face.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Some butternut squash and some stuffing and some mashed potatoes and a little bit of turkey and some gravy. He likes the orange stuff best.
He hasn't put anything in his mouth, though.
No. You cannot have this big piece of bacon, sir. I can tell you're angry.
Oh. Maybe it's a little early, I don't know. Like that? You trust the grandpa? I think he's just trying to get that damn squash off his plate.
Bug, what do you think? Well, this isn't a very effective way to eat yet.
No.
I guess you'll never learn if we never let you try.
Don't show this video to anyone of me feeding him with my hands.
Oh, why not? We feed them with our hands. He seems to thoroughly enjoy that stuffing.
Yep, he likes the stuffing too.
You can't play with this, Bug.
I like when the way he chews. It's cute. He chews his food good.
Yeah.
Because only Bowflex home chips have Power Rock technology, the secret to getting a strong, sculpted body fast.
I was absolutely seeing results almost immediately.